Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I want to talk about electrostatic. We are from BTU1112 Physics Laboratory. Our instructor is Dr. Rodzia binti Nazlan. Second, we want to talk about table of content. First, introduction. Second, definition of electrostatic. Subtopic objective, methodology. Subtopic apparatus, procedure. And last, discussion and conclusion. Firstly, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Khairul Aizat bin Razali. My metric number is TB21020. My email is khairulaizat62@gmail.com. Okay, now we want to talk about definition of electrostatic. Electrostatic, as the name implies, is the study of stationary electric charge. Electrostatic is a branch of physics that deals with phenomena and properties of stationary or slow-moving electric charge. As an example, a rod of plastic rubbed with fur or a rod of glass rubbed with silk will attract small piece of paper and is said to be electrically charged. The charge on plastic rubbed with fur is defined as negative, and the charge on glass rubbed with silk is defined as positive. Our objective in this experiment is to determine how electrostatic works. The second is to investigate what charge in different material carries. Second, in this experiment, the apparatus that we need is first paper, bottle that made with PVC, first bag made with acrylic, balloon, leader, water. We use water from the sink because we want to know if is it attract or repel when we open the sink. And lastly, plastic. The procedure that we need to do in this experiment is first, the material that we use, first balloon. We rub the balloon with hair to touch it and bring it to the water. After that, we will see if is it attract with water or repel with water. Then we collect the data. Second, using bottle and we rub it, means we touch it. We rub with hair and check either it's repel or attract with paper, leather and plastic. For the last, we repeat the step 2, but we using the perspective and we check is it attract or repel with paper, leather and plastic, and we collect the data. Next, the result that we got for acrylic, it means perspective that we made by acrylic. We try to touch it with polyethylene and we get the negative result. Is it in repel? For PVC with polyethylene, also negative. Acrylic with leather, also negative. PVC with leather, also negative. Acrylic with paper, attract positive. So it means they have charge positive and negative. PVC and paper, positive. It means it's attract. Balloon, if we charge it and bring it close to the water, it will attract. For balloon, two balloon that we charge, it's repel. It's repel, but we want to disclaim this experiment may cause some error, such as human error, because uh, we don't have the specific things, specific methods, and specific material to do the experiment. For discussion in this lab, we want to determine the charge. Determine the charge means we want to study about the electrostatic, the charge that the charge that have positive or negative. Second, if we compare the result, different item had a different charge, either e- either attract or repel. This can be proved by triboelectric series. Triboelectric series is a list that ranks materials according to their tendency to gain or lose electrons. Conclusion: we can observe attraction and repulsion between electrically charged objects. To sum up what has been said so far, we can conclude that there are two kinds of charge, X-men, which are in some way opposite. If two objects are charged in the same way, they show repulsion. If they are charged differently, they show attraction. That's all from me. Thank you.
This video I want to show you how electrostatic works. This this is balloon, and I want to investigate if it is attract with water or it's repel with water. So first I want to charge this balloon. So as you can see, water and the balloon are attract because water bring positive and negative charge, and when we charge the balloon it becomes positive, so they will attract. Okay, we have bottle here, and this bottle made with PVC, and we want to try we want to make charge with this paper, PVC and paper. We want to know, is it attract or repel? So now I charge this bottle. So as you can see, the bottle and this paper is attract. Okay. Okay, now we have acrylic. This is perspex made with acrylic. So we want to know, is it attract or repel between acrylic and paper. So now I charge this acrylic, and we want to investigate, is it repel or attract. Okay, so as we can see, the paper are attract with this acrylic. Now we want to try acrylic with polyethylene. This is perspex that made with acrylic. So first we charge this acrylic. We want to know, is it attract with polyethylene or repel. So as we can see, acrylic with polyethylene is repel. So now we want to check this bottle is PVC, and this keychain are in leather. So we want to check if is it attract or repel. Now we charge this bottle. So as we can see, there is nothing happen, and we assume is it in negative charge. Thank you. Okay, now we want to check acrylic. This is perspex made with acrylic, and this is kitchen in leather type of leather. So now we charge this acrylic. Yeah, as we can see, there's nothing happen. So maybe it is happen. It's caused with error, human error. So in these experiments, we must to discuss and we must to consider all the errors such as human error and etc. That's all. Now we want to show you how electrostatic works, and we want to show you if we want to investigate if this balloon attract or repel with the other balloons. So now we touch this balloon. So as you can see, this balloon and with this balloon are in repel because it's bring negative charge and it's also bring negative charge.